Hi everyone, this is my another tutorial how to fix unsent message problem on Instagram. Since there are several reasons for this problem, so we need try several steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. Open Google Play Store and search by Instagram. If update is available up to date. If there is an update, then nothing needs to be done. After updating, go to App Info. Simply press and hold on the app. You will see App Info option or App Info icon. Press on it. Or you can access App Info through Settings. After entering the app info, clear the app storage. Now close the settings. And open Instagram app and log in your account. Now check problem solve or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.